Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the ringer buzzer on the iPhone 12 mobile phone. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then undo two bottom screws by using pentalobe screwdriver. To take out the screen, first apply heat to soften the glue on the screen. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. And then to lift the screen, need a good suction cup or something similar. Here we are using double-sided suction cup to lift the front assembly. If not, you can use a regular suction cup to raise the screen and a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker for separation and loosen up rubber gaskets on the frame. Lift the screen, keep the direction like opening a book, and then remove two screws to take out the shield on the bottom, and then remove four screws to take out the shield on top. Next, disconnect the battery, earpiece assembly and two screen connector plugs. Next, take out the not working ringer buzzer speaker by undoing four screws. Next, place the new loudspeaker buzzer into the body and then secure it with four screws. Next, add the pre-cut water seal adhesive into the frame. Please note this tape will not completely protect the device against the liquid. Next, insert the SIM tray and place the front screen on the body. First, connect the earpiece assembly, both LCD connectors and battery plugs into the board. And also make sure to replace both shields by adding screws. Next, to clamp up the iPhone, click in the top section first, then simultaneously click sides and the bottom. Just make sure to put the pressure on the frame side. Next, secure the phone by adding 2 screws to the bottom. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.